Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage Notes app account settings on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down and tap on Notes. Once you're here, you want to go to accounts, and here the first is going to be iCloud, and everyone should see the iCloud account right here. So this is the basic account for your Notes on every Apple device, because you need to have the iCloud account to, just to use the every Apple device. So the Notes should be saved from the start in the iCloud account and should be synchronized. So if you have another accounts on your iPhone, as I do right now for Outlook onto Yahoo, you can go and click in the Outlook account, for example, right here. And here, as you can see, we have synchronized only contacts from the Outlook on my iPhone, but I can also synchronize the Notes or just turn it off. So if I'm going to turn off the synchronization for Notes, all Hotmail notes will be removed from your iPhone, as you can see. So I can click cancel, so the synchronization is going to be still on, or I can turn this feature off, so then click delete from my iPhone, so all the Hotmail, the Outlook, in other words, notes are going to be deleted from my iPhone. So also the same action goes with the Yahoo or Gmail options. If you're going to turn on the synchronization, all the notes from the specific account are going to be synchronized with the notes on your iPhone. But if you're going to turn this feature off again, all the Yahoo notes will be removed from your iPhone. So you can manage those. Also, you can add an account of the notes, and as you can see, you have a lot of options and also other mail accounts you can add, and they can be synchronized with notes on your iPhone. Also here you have the option to fetch new data, so it means every how many times it should be fetched, so the data should be synchronized of the specific app. So you can set the fetch to every 15 minutes, 30 minutes, hourly or manually. Manually means so every time you open the Notes app in this situation, because we are talking about Notes. So this is not maybe the best, because you're not going to get updates until you're going to open the Notes app. But for me, in the Notes, every 15 minutes is okay. Also, it is going to drain less battery than, for example, automatically, because automatically means, just all the time. So these are the account settings of the Notes on iPhone. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!